Hi, my name is Ziad Fayad. I'm part of the Einstein Analytics product team, and in this video I'm going to show you how you add fields to datasets from recipes. So let's say I have this dataset, my ops data 2, and let's say I realized or there was a new requirement that I need to add a field here. And I know this dataset is coming from a recipe. So first thing, you're going to go back to Data Manager and look for the recipe behind this data set, and in my case I know this is it. Or actually I did. Okay, so what happened is I showed you the base data set. Hold on a minute. So let's say I have, sorry, this is the data set that I want to add to a field, opportunity owner ACCNT. I realized that I need a field here, or many fields, and I went back to Data Manager. I tracked it down to opportunity owner account, opportunity owner ACCNT, and I tracked it down to the base data set to my ops data 2, or I could have put clicked on update dataset if there's multiple of these, but I know it's my ops data 2 that I first need to add the field to it, and then check in my recipe to add that field. So now that I know it's my ops data 2, I'm going to go back to the data flow, and this is my default data flow, and probably I built the first data set through dataset builder or through the data flow. I'm looking for the register node of my ops data 2, and in this case this is it. I know just because I did my homework. And so I'm gonna go here, look for it, and you can see this is the register node. So I'm gonna track where is this field coming from. Is it from account? Is it from a user or opportunity? Let's say it's from opportunity. So I just clicked in the middle right here, and I want to select fields. And let's say the field that I forgot is description. Okay. So I'm gonna hit save. It's gonna ask, do you want to propagate all the way to the register? I'm gonna say yes, propagate. And now I'm gonna update the data flow and wait for the data flow to run, which actually by clicking on this one. Go to data monitor and refresh this and wait for it. Okay, it's showing up, and it's gonna take about let's say 30 or 59 depending on the status of the node. So again, this is gonna pick the field for my ops data 2, and let's see where the jobs are. Okay, almost done, and there you go, successful. So first, let me verify it is in my ops data 2. So I'm gonna go back to Analytics Studio, refresh, and yep, it's okay, it's being refreshed. Let's look at my ops data 2 right here, and do I see description? Yep, I see description right here. I just picked it up. Alright, so next thing is go back to Data Manager, go back to the recipe, and this recipe is this one. And here is, so it's not gonna pick the field by default necessarily. What you want to do is, because the base data set now has it, you're gonna click update dataset and either search, or you're gonna see it somewhere here and unchecked. So if I look for description, hold on, maybe I did not. I should have refreshed this and go back to recipes. Okay, one more time. Now if I hit update datasets again, it should be right there. So as you can see, I just needed to refresh the browser. This is description, or I could have looked for it. And right now I can hit continue, run it once. Remember, my ultimate goal is to update the final op owner ACCNT dataset Again, I updated dataset. Can close this and the monitor should be running. It just ran right now. Go back to this. Again, I can close this. Refresh. And my right here, op owner ACCNT, and I can find description right here at the end the results. So the two places is in the original data flow and in the recipe you have to click on update to pick up the new field. Don't forget to refresh browsers in between just to make sure it's picked up the change. Again, this is as of summer 18. I hope this is helpful and thanks for watching.